Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone.
Before we start today's podcast, allow me introduce myself. My name is Rizky Putra Sundawa with student ID number 172306007, and I will be your host who will guide today's discussion. And I'm not alone today. Right now, I'm with a guest that you've been waiting for.
Hello everyone. My name is Armanto Hakim with student ID number 172305541. You can call me Armanto.
Alright, thank you Armanto for joining us today. It's great to have you here. Okay, today we will discuss one of the most important topic in our daily life. We are going to talk about email. Armanto, let's start with a basic question. What is email?
Email standard for electronic email. It is a way to send message digitally using the internet. With email, we can send text message, document, image, and many other types of files.
That's right. Email is one of the earliest and most widely used communication tools on the internet. Why do you think email is still important today?
Email is important because it is reliable and professional. Even though there are many social media and messaging apps, email is still used for formal communication.
Yes, especially in education and the workplace.
For students, email is very important to communicate with lecturers, submit assignment, and revise official information from campus.
How often do you personally use email as a student?
I use email almost every day. I use it to receive announcements, register from academic platform, and communication with lecturers.
Same here. Most online learning platforms also require email for login and notification.
That's true. Without email, it would be difficult to manage academic activity.
What are the advantages of using email?
One advantage is speed. We can send message instantly to anyone around the world. Another advantage is organization. Email can be saved, shared, and categories easily.
Email also allows you to send files such as assignment, report, and presentation.
Yes, an email record are as full as proof of communication.
Many people prefer chatting apps nowadays. Do you think email is still relevant?
Yes, definitely. Messaging apps are good for casual conversation, but email is more suitable for formal situation.
I agree. Email creates a professional impression.
That's why email is still used for job application, official announcement, and academic communication.
Let's talk about email etiquette. Why is it important?
Email etiquette is important because it shows respect and professionalism. We should always start with a proper greeting and polite language.
Using a clear subject line is also very important.
Yes, and we should avoid using slang for informal expression when emailing lecture.
Checking grammar and spelling before sending an email is also necessary. What common mistake do students make when using email?
One common mistake is not introducing the samples clearly. Another mistake is forgetting to include important information such as the purpose of the email.
Sometimes students also send email without a subject line.
Yes, and that can confuse the research field.
Now let's talk about email security.
We should be careful with spam and phishing email. This email often come from sender and may contain dangerous link.
That's why we should never share personal information through email.
Using strong password and being continuous and help protect our email account.
Do you think email will still be used in the future?
Yes, I believe email will continue to exist. Email keep evolving and adapting to new technology.
I agree. Email remains an essential communication tool. So, to conclude today's discussion, email is a simple but powerful communication tool.
It's playing important role in the good education for work and daily life.
Thank you for listening today. See you in the next episode. Goodbye everyone.
Goodbye everyone. Thanks for watching.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.